high-speed big CNC router 6090. Retain no tax, high-speed big CNC router 6090, 4-axis CNC cutting machine 2200W for PCB metal stone carving. Item specifics. Model number :6090. CNC or not CNC. Condition new. Voltage :220V/110V. Rated power :2.2 kW. Dimensions :810 by 640 by 480 m. Weight 65 kilograms. Feature 1:U.S.B. Port. Feature 2: with limited switch. Introduction. The CNC router is suitable for industry, technology research, advertising design, arts creation, teaching, student project, and hobby purposes. The CNC router is designed for a large area engraving work such as industrial or hobby prototype building, building model making, PCB, advertising signs, artwork, crafts, aircraft models, RC model parts, etc. So, you can do engraving work at office or home. In addition, it can be upgraded to be installed a rotational axis. Our main products: 3020, 3040, 6040, 6090 CNC router engraving machine 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis, with 230 watts, 500 watts, 800 watts, 1500 watts, 2.2 kW spindle. More precise stepping motor. The engraving process is visible as controlled by computer. Simple operation and installation. 1-year machine part and 6 months electrical parts, stepping motor, spindle-free warranty. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.